you. Thank you all.
Our hair is so different, we require different tips and techniques, tricks, and lotions and potions.
My hair gets really big in the summer and it gets so hot and
Really poofy.
poofy, like a poodle, like my dog.
Okay, Google, talk to All Things Hair.
Hi, welcome to All Things Hair, your online hair advisor. I can give you personalized advice if you tell me more about your hair.
Google, I have naturally curly hair.
Great, I can help you find any style or hair care advice.
Okay, Google,
though.
hair care advice. Show me how to manage humid weather.
Curly hair craves moisture, so be sure to condition at least once a week. Try using Dove, Quench, Absolute, Detangler to help lock in moisture and tame frizz.
Alyssa, her hair was always done really well. It has all this texture, like whether she blows it dry straight or wears it naturally curly, she's up to the nines all the time.